Hello everyone, Mark here, working on our 30-day challenge again, 7 days into it. I want to remind you that Spotter Studio has their thing going on right now, giving away $25,000. You have till the end of the year to sign up for it. You get a 60-day trial. I'm not trying to sell you anything, but this is definitely something if you're a YouTube creator that you'll want to do, is get in this. Also, if you haven't followed along, please like and share or subscribe, sorry. But you can follow along by looking at the playlist that I'll put a little tab up here on, as well as downloading my free checklist. I'm not trying to sell you anything. This just kind of gets you started, and you can do it too. I know you can. All right, a lot of people are asking, how do I come up with ideas? How do we get this thing going? Well, Spotter Studio can do just that. But once we have the idea, we might want to do a little bit more with it. So if on the actual checklist here, what I've done, again, there's our spotter. Go ahead and get this if you can. What I've done is I've added AI prompts. I've added a prompt here, content plans or ideas. That's what it's for. Let me clean that up a little bit more. And then I'm going to post the video right in here that we're talking about today. But if you double click on this, you can go ahead and take a look at it. And here it is. So this is the actual prompt that I created to help out with you guys. So what you want to do is you want to copy this. So you just go ahead and copy. I guess I could have just clicked the copy button up there. But we're going to copy that. And then we're going to go over to ChatGPT. And we're just going to paste it in here. Now, you'll notice that there are spots for a niche here. So let's go ahead and give it a try with Spotters, make that capital, Spotters Studio. And then we're going to go down to the bottom here. It's also one more place right here. Tackles and see, all right here. We're going to go Spotters Studio. And that should be it. And we just hit enter and let ChatGPT do what it's going to do. Again, this is live here. I have no idea what's going to come up with. All right, intro to Spotter Studio, your data dashboard simplified, video length 8 minutes, overwhelmed by managing. All right, so it talks about tired of juggling endless data platforms. Let me show you how Spotter Studio simplifies it in minutes. All right, so we have this. Now what I would do, here's the main talking points, but it'll also put up different ones, setting up your Spotter Studio. So it gives us 10 of them listed out, and it's still going. So let me let it finish here. We'll just kind of scroll through them, analyzing data, Spotter Studio insights, simplified. So it's not perfect because some of the stuff is not really what's in Spotter Studio, but it gives us a direction with everything. So that gave us 6 of the 10. We're just going to take a look at this first one here, Intro to Spotter Studio. All right, please make me an outline for idea number 1. And let's see what happens. So we'll go back down here. Let it go through opening hook. There we go. Statement. There's our hook. Problem. There's the problem, promise. So what a lot of times I'll do is I'll just use the outline. That way it gives me a direction. And as I'm speaking, it's more natural. Now, if you're not comfortable with speaking off the cuff like that, we can go one step further and say, okay, great. Thank you. Now, please write out a script based on this outline. Make sure it is engaging. And what else? Oh, it's engaging and personable. And it'll write the script there for you. All right. Now you might have to adjust some things. The nice thing about ChatGPT and this Canva here that we have, we can go in and adjust. Let's let it finish here. It's almost done. Come up to the top of this. So if I have script, opening hook, tired of juggling endless platforms, overwhelmed by spreadsheets, dashboards, don't talk to each other, not alone. Today I'm got a game-changing Meet Spotter Studio, all-in-one solutions to making sense of your data in minutes. Actually, that's not what Spotter Studio does. So this is not a good thing. So this is obviously something you want to work with to make sure you get something right with it. So let's go ahead and try redoing this. Let's start a new chat altogether. We're going to put this in and let's make it to something that works a little better. So, the thing with chatbots is they work really well, but they only give you the information that it's aware of. I suppose if I put in there Spotter Studio and use their website, then it would refer to that and look at that. But that's okay. We'll go ahead and go through this. Let's go make money with AI. We'll try this one, see if this works out any better. Make money with AI again. And then now let's see what it comes up with. All right, how to start making money with AI today, length of video. Okay, great. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and let that finish off. Some easy things, ChatGPT, which is what we're doing here. Canva, we've talked about Canva in the past. Leonardo, we've used Leonardo. We haven't talked about Jasper at all. Go high level, we also have that. I have that set up in the links. So this is actually a pretty good list. So if I wanted to change this one, I could change like just this one because I actually have talked about these other ones here. Or I could just make it 4 instead of 5 points, right? But let's take a look at, well, it does say 5 easy AI tools. Well, let's take a look at that one. I like that idea. So let's run with that. Let's do an outline for number 2. But instead of Jasper.ai, let's add exchange it for Claude.ai. Please give me an outline for the video. And let's see what happens now. Come down to the end of this. Outline for video, how to create a blog with it. That's not what I asked for. Stop. Let's come back up here. Yeah, see, errors happen, and that's okay. But it does save a lot of time. So where was number 2? Here we go. Let's go. Whoop, not that much. Right here. Copy this. Come down here. This is what I was talking about to change and update with an outline. And then we'll go like this. Now we'll do it. All right. There's our nice intro. All right. Build curious content. AI. Okay. Tools. ChatGPT. Canva. Leonardo. Claude. Okay. Yeah. See, so this is a little outline for it. Go high level, recap, takeaways. All right, call to action. And no, this is great. This is a great little outline. So what I would do actually, I would copy and paste this, drop this into a Word doc and have that open, send it to my phone so I can actually read it or kind of give me the clues on where I need to go with it. But if you're not comfortable with that and you just want to read it, now please give me a script for that outline. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Now it's giving me the background things. I'm not worried about the background stuff, and meaning what the shots are, different things like that. You can do this with faceless. You can do this with your face. It doesn't matter much. But you can see this is a nice little prompt to get some information out and build out content. Now you can do this with each one of those things, adjust it for your own needs though. But this, yeah, this is pretty good overall. You can even print this out like this again, put it into a doc, put it on your phone, and instead of reading it, just kind of read through it a couple of times so you know what you want to say, and then let it go, because that'll be more natural. And then go back to your outline and work with your outline on it. And by going through that outline, you'll sound a lot more natural, but you kind of already know what it's being said, what you want to be saying. Okay, with all that being said, I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Tomorrow we'll be giving more prompts on how to use ChatGPT to help you build that AI background. I challenge you to join my 30-day profit challenge and see if you can do it too. The link is in the description. And tomorrow we'll have, like I said, more information. Thanks again.